Tip 1. Keep medications in your carry-on bag. Always pack your medications in your carry-on bag or personal item, not in checked luggage. This ensures you have access to them whenever needed during your flight and prevents them from getting lost or exposed to extreme temperatures in the cargo hold. TSA advises keeping meds with you because losing a suitcase is bad enough. Losing medication is worse. There is no TSA limit on how many pills you can bring in your carry-on, whether they're prescription, over-the-counter, or supplements. By keeping your medications with you, you won't risk being separated from them due to lost baggage or delays. Tip 2. Bring enough medication. Pack more medication than you think you'll need for your trip, including an extra supply in case of travel delays or an extended stay. Travel health experts suggest taking enough doses for your entire trip, plus some backup doses just in case. This is important because you might not be able to refill a prescription or find the same OTC medicine easily while away. Calculate the doses needed for your trip's duration, then pack a few days' worth of extra pills. If you use a pill organizer, double-check it contains all the pills you need. Also, get any necessary refills before you travel, so you're not caught short on a long trip. And don't worry, TSA doesn't limit the amount of medication you can carry for personal use, so bringing an ample supply is fine. Tip 3. Know the rules for liquid medications. Be aware of TSA's 3-1-1 liquids rule, but know that medically necessary liquids are exempt from the 3.4-ounce limit. Whenever possible, keep liquid medicines in 3.4-ounce containers and put them in your quart-size liquids bag, like other toiletries. If you must bring a larger volume of a medication, you're allowed to carry amounts over 3.4 Oz, as long as it's a reasonable quantity. To stay compliant, declare any medically necessary liquids to the TSA officer at the start of the screening process. You don't have to place prescription liquids in the zip-top bag if they exceed the standard limit, but do separate them from your other items for inspection. Keep related supplies with the medication and present them together for screening. TSA might do additional checks, so allow a little extra time if you're carrying liquid meds. Tip 4. Keep medications in original packaging or labeled containers. Whenever possible, carry your medications in their original packaging with labels. TSA doesn't require original prescription bottles, but using them helps avoid confusion during security screening. Original pharmacy bottles or manufacturer packages clearly show what the drug is and who it's for, helping security officers quickly recognize legitimate medication. Unlabeled pills tossed in a bag or mixed in a pill case can cause issues during screening, especially for controlled substances that might draw extra scrutiny. Put prescription pills in their labeled pharmacy bottles and keep over-the-counter drugs and supplements in their retail containers if you can. If you do use a pill organizer for convenience, carry a copy of the prescription or the original label with those pills as proof of what they are. Proper labeling will smooth your path through security. Tip 5. Carry documentation for prescription medications. Think of your prescription labels and a doctor's note as your medication's passport. TSA agents typically won't ask for documentation, but having it is invaluable if any questions come up. This is especially true for controlled medications or if pills are not in original bottles. Have a copy of your prescriptions or the pharmacy printout for each drug, and consider getting a doctor's note listing your medications and why you need them. This paperwork can help if a TSA officer or customs official needs to verify a large quantity of medicine or an unusual item you're carrying. Keep these documents in a travel folder or as photos on your phone for easy access. In most cases, you won't have to show any of this, but it's wise to have proof on hand. Tip 6. Plan for special items. If you travel with items like insulin pens, syringes, auto-injectors, or other medical devices, pack them carefully and declare them to the TSA. These items are allowed in carry-ons, but since they involve sharp needles or liquids, you should take precautions and inform the officers ahead of time. Keep syringes and injector pens capped and, if possible, in a case with the pharmacy label visible to show their medical equipment. If your medication needs to stay cold, use a small insulated medical cooler bag with frozen gel packs. Gel ice packs are permitted when they're for medication, but mention them during screening. Using a clearly labeled cooler or medical bag signals to TSA that you have a legitimate temperature-sensitive medicine, which often means a fewer questions. When you reach the X-ray, let the TSA agent know you have these medical items. They see such items frequently and will allow them after proper inspection. By prepping your medical gear correctly, you comply with security rules and keep your medications safe. Tip 7. Organize medications for easy security screening. Good organization will save you time and stress at the checkpoint. Keep all your medication containers together in one part of your carry-on, ideally in a clear zip-top bag or pouch, so you can quickly pull them out if an officer needs to inspect them. Note that for pills, TSA does not require you to remove them or declare them as long as they are in solid form. However, if you carry an unusually large supply or many pill bottles, it's helpful to inform the officer to avoid confusion when your bag goes through the X-ray. Pack all pill bottles, vitamins, and supplement jars together. Store any liquid medications or syringes separately since those should be declared. When you reach the X-ray conveyor, you can leave your medication bag inside your carry-on or take it out and hand it to the officer for inspection, whichever feels more comfortable. Keeping your meds neat and visible makes screening smoother. After you're through security, remember to collect all your medication from the bin and put it back in your bag so nothing gets left behind. Tip 8. Know your screening options. Medications usually go through the X-ray machine with the rest of your belongings, but you can request a different screening method if you're concerned. X-ray screening is generally safe for medicine and the quickest option, but if you prefer, you may ask for a visual inspection of your meds instead. To use this option, you must request it before your items go through the X-ray conveyor belt. Simply tell a TSA officer, "I have medication that I'd like visually inspected." The officer will then manually inspect your medications. They may swab the containers or perform tests, but they will not send your medicine through the X-ray. Keep in mind that a visual inspection can take extra time, so arrive a bit early if you plan to request it. TSA officers are accustomed to travelers with medications and will handle your items respectfully. This option gives you more control over how sensitive items, like injectable meds or fragile vials, are handled during screening. For extra peace of mind, TSA also offers a helpline called TSA Cares for travelers with medical conditions. You can call ahead with questions or to arrange assistance. Tip 9. Keep medications accessible and secure during travel. After clearing security, make sure your medication stays safe and within easy reach for the rest of your journey. Store them in your personal item under the seat in front of you rather than in an overhead bin. That way, if you need to take a dose mid-flight, you can get to your pills even when the seatbelt sign is on. Keeping the medicine bag near you also avoids it being jostled or accidentally moved in the overhead compartment. If you're asked to gate check your carry-on bag on a full flight, always remove your medications first and keep them with you. Also be mindful of storage conditions. The airplane cabin is climate controlled, but don't leave your meds in direct sunlight or in a hot car during layovers. In summary, keep your medicine close, protected, and away from extreme temperatures. You'll have peace of mind knowing your medications are safe, and you can focus on enjoying your trip without health worries or medication hassles, or medication